If you own a Toyota hybrid or you're thinking about buying one, there is a lie you have probably been told. You hear people say replacing the hybrid battery will cost you $6,000 to $10,000 or maybe even more. They say when the battery goes bad, you might as well just junk the car or sell the car. The truth is that is flat out wrong. The same battery problem can cost one person $1,000 and another person $10,000. The difference is where they went, what they were told, and if the vehicle was properly diagnosed. Maybe your battery has just failed, maybe it's getting weak, or maybe you're worried about buying a hybrid because you heard about these crazy battery replacement costs. Either way, we're going to show you exactly what your options are. And on top of that, we're going to give you a discount code for not if, but when your hybrid battery goes bad. So we're going to get into the real cost right away. After that, we'll quickly cover how long Toyota hybrid batteries last, how to preserve the life, and the main signs that yours may be dying. So how much does a Toyota hybrid battery replacement actually cost? At the Toyota dealership, a complete replacement can cost anywhere from $4,000 all the way to $6,000 after the battery, labor, and additional fees. Depending on the model, the year, it can be even more. A Prius will normally cost less than like a Toyota RAV4 or something like a Highlander, but some dealerships also charge 4 to 5 hours of labor, and larger vehicles can take even longer because there are parts in the interior that they have to remove just to get to the battery itself. And there are a couple reasons why dealership prices can be so high. Number one, dealerships may not always have a hybrid battery sitting in stock, and in many cases they have to order it in before they can even begin the replacement. We'll leave the links below, but let's look at a few real examples. One Chevrolet Volt owner reported waiting 13 months for a replacement on their high voltage battery. Another woman with a 2015 Hyundai Sonata hybrid waited more than 9 months and went to 3 different loaner vehicles while the dealership waited for the battery. And one Honda Clarity owner said it took 4 months from the time the battery was diagnosed until the car had fully been replaced. And these are only a few examples. You can do your own research and find plenty of similar stories, especially with older discontinued or harder to source batteries. So the dealership replacement isn't just expensive. Sometimes it can also leave your car sitting for months. And that brings us straight to number 2. Dealerships are in the business of selling cars, not batteries. Their goal is for you to come in with a failed hybrid battery, see an extremely high quote, and start thinking, well, I might as well just buy a new car. That quote can make it seem like the vehicle is completely finished and no longer worth fixing. But in many cases, and in most cases, that's not true at all. The car still may have years of life. It may simply need just a more affordable option for replacement than the dealership itself. At Greentec Auto, most of our standard Toyota Prius hybrid battery options generally range from $1,000 to $3,000. The exact price depends on the model, the year, and whether you choose a new or remanufactured battery. Also, we have multiple warranty options. Now, when you look at Prius plug-in and Prius Prime batteries can cost more because these batteries are larger and completely different systems. We carry battery options for every single Toyota hybrid battery out there, from newer Prius models to Prius C to Prius V to Prius plug-in, Prius Prime. We also carry batteries for vehicles like the Toyota Camry, Toyota Avalon, the RAV4, the Highlander, and many more. We offer in-shop installation, and we also offer mobile installation where we come out to you to replace the hybrid battery. We've developed a network of over 34 locations across the United States, Canada, and in the UK, and for the past 13 years, this is all we have been doing. This is not something we do on the side. This is all we do every single day. But don't just take our word for it. Look at some real customer numbers. Number 1, Jessica was quoted over $10,000 by Toyota. Greentec completed the job for under $3,000. That's more than $7,000 saved. Next, Lisa was quoted $8,500 by her regular repair shop. Greentec completed the repair for $2,400. That's $6,100 saved. Another customer was quoted $12,000 by the original manufacturer. Greentec completed the job for $2,700. That's $9,300 saved. Now, don't let those numbers just pass through your head. Customers saved close to $10,000 simply because they knew another option existed. So if you own a Toyota hybrid and you now know about Greentec, you may have potentially just saved yourself almost $3,000 to $10,000. Congratulations. And these aren't just the only customers we have. We have many, many, many more. Now that you know the cost, how long do these hybrid batteries actually last? A lot of people still believe Toyota hybrid batteries automatically die at 100,000 miles. That myth partially came from the Toyota dealer warranty. People saw an 8-year warranty or 100,000 mile warranty and treated it as the expiration date. But a warranty is not a predicted lifespan of the battery. It's simply the period of the manufacturer agrees to recover. Many newer Toyota hybrid batteries in the United States have battery coverage up to 10 years or 150,000 miles, depending on the year and the location. And many real-world Toyota hybrid batteries last around 150 to 250,000 miles. At Greentec Auto, we've replaced tens of thousands of Toyota Prius hybrid batteries over the years. We regularly see customers with 260 to 300,000 miles of range and even more on a day-to-day basis. Now, that doesn't mean every battery is going to last 300,000 miles, but it proves that the 100,000 miles is not an automatic death sentence. Which sparks the question, how do you actually preserve your hybrid battery's life? Number one, keep the battery cooling fan clean. That vent can collect dust, lint, crumbs, and pet hair. When airflow becomes blocked, the battery has a harder time staying cool. Second, don't leave the vehicle sitting unused for months at a time. Toyota hybrid batteries are designed to be used, so drive the vehicle regularly. Third, don't ignore warning lights. The earlier you get a hybrid system properly diagnosed, the more options you may have. Now, how do you know if the battery is getting weak? Number one, your fuel economy drops. If you're driving the same way you normally do, but you suddenly start getting worse gas mileage, that can be one of the first signs that the hybrid battery is no longer working as efficiently as it used to. Number two, the car starts feeling different. Acceleration may feel slower or less consistent, and you may notice the gasoline engine turning on much more often because the hybrid battery isn't providing the same level of support. Number three, the battery gauge starts acting strange. Instead of charging and draining gradually, the gauge may jump up high to low very, very quickly. That rapid movement can be a sign that the battery is struggling to hold a stable charge. Number four, warning lights begin to appear. You may see a check hybrid system light warning on your dashboard, or a diagnostic scan might reveal that the battery has a related trouble code. A warning light does not automatically mean the complete hybrid battery is dead. Sometimes it's a small 12-volt battery. Sometimes it's a sensor, a cooling fan, an inverter issue, or another part of the hybrid system. We've had customers come to us ready to spend thousands of dollars on a battery they actually didn't even need. That's why getting a diagnostic comes first. Not panic, not guessing, and not automatically buying another car. So if your Toyota hybrid battery is showing warning lights, losing fuel economy, or driving efficiently has gone down, click on greentecauto.com, enter your year, make, and model, and you can check out all the battery options we have available for you. And of course, the discount code for the video is GTAI. So you can either go on our website or give us a call, use the discount code, and get a discount for when your hybrid battery goes bad. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.